In this tutorial, I will show a stress rigging process in Autodesk Maya. Go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cube, scale it just like this, and move it up. Press F to zoom. Now go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, click multiple edge loop, use equal multiplier, select number of edge loop type 7, just click here. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, go to front view, press F to zoom or focus in. Now change modeling menu to rigging menu, go to skeleton, create joint and turn on X-ray joint, wireframe on shaded mode. Now create joint like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Press enter. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the joint chain and select this. Press Shift plus P to unparent the first joint and again Shift plus P to unparent the last joint. Now delete the rest of the chain. Name this lower joint JNT and name this upper joint. Now select these two joint and hide this. Again go to skeleton, create IK spline handle, click and turn on X-ray joint, click one here and another here. This will create an IK spline handle. Now unhide the upper and lower joint and channel box, increase the joint radius just like this. We selected these two upper and lower joint. Shift select the IK handle, curve. Now shift select the IK handle, go to skin, click bind skin. First select these two joint and shift select the curve, go to skin, click bind skin. This is done. Now select this and see This will move along with the upper joint. Now select the joint chain and shift select the polygon cube, go to skin, click bind skin. Select the upper joint and move and see. This is moving. Ctrl G to undo. But move up. This is not stressing. Ctrl G to undo. To create stress rigging, go to Windows, Node Editor. Now select the curve. Select this. Click remove selected from graph. Curve shape. Put it here. Press tab key on your keyboard and type curve info. Now go to Windows, General Editor, open Connection Editor, select the curve shape and reload left, click, select the curve info, reload right. Now from curve shape 1, from curve shape 1, select world space and curve info, select input curve. Now again press tab key on your keyboard and type multiply and click on multiply divide node. This will open this. Now put it here to see clearly and make it large. Just click on this icon, select this, click on this, select arc length. From curve info, select arc length and connect it to the input 1x. Now select the multiply and divide node, go to attribute editor, operation, select here divide and input 1 value, just copy, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V and paste. Press enter. Now select the multiply and divide node. Again go to connection editor, click reload left and now minimize the node editor and select all the joint from the outline. Just click, control click to all the joint and click reload right and right display, click on right display and deselect the show non-keyable. Now select output X to join all the joint scale X, scale X, scale X, scale X, scale X, scale X, joint 8 scale X, and lastly joint 9 scale X. Now this time select the upper joint and move. The stressing is working. In this process you can rig stress or you can do a stress rigging in Autodesk Maya.